Hey, how's it going? This video is going to be different from what you've seen about VPNs for everyday use. Give me 20 seconds to explain what I mean. I promise I won't waste your time. I've tested over 100 VPN services and put together a 200+ page research document covering everything about every decent VPN out there. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. Instead of wasting your time explaining stuff you don't care about, just to make this video 15 minutes long, I'll straight up tell you which ones are the best VPNs for everyday use right now, plus a few things that actually matter about each, so you can pick one and get on with your day. And for the nerds like me out there, I'll drop a link in the description so you can grab my whole research doc completely free and read it whenever you want. No joke. Alright, let's jump right in. Top 3 VPN services for everyday use and why. First up, NordVPN is hands down the best for everyday use. Why? Well, it just works seamlessly with everything you do online. Seriously, super important. Speed. It's literally one of the fastest I tested. Low latency, no connectivity issues, no dropouts, and solid download and upload speeds. Features. It has more features than any other. Kill switch, meshnet, antivirus, leak protection, you name it, it's got it. Pricing and support. The price is pretty cheap for what it offers and support is top notch. Logs? Nope, they don't keep any. Encryption? They use the best encryption tech out there. Overall, super easy to use, fast, stable, and affordable for what you get. Negatives? Only a 10 device limit. Second best is IP Vanish. Why? It's a straightforward, no BS VPN built for pure performance in your daily activities. Speed. Crazy fast with consistently low latency. No lag spikes, no drops, just smooth, reliable browsing. Features? All the essentials plus a few extras. Reliable kill switch, split tunneling, great if you only want certain apps or devices to use the VPN. Pricing and support, one of the best bang for your buck VPNs, often cheaper than competitors but still delivers top tier performance. Support is quick and helpful. Logs? Nope, no logs. They have an independently audited no logs policy. Encryption? Best encryption, AES 256. Negatives? It's US based, a Five Eyes country, which might worry privacy nuts. But their no log audit checks out. Also, their server network is smaller than the other two. Overall, clean, fast, secure, and pretty much set it and forget it. Great for browsing, streaming, and work. Really solid value. Third best is Private Internet Access, or PIA. Why? Because it's got a massive server network and the most customization on this list. Speed? Very good. The huge network means you can always find a fast, uncrowded server nearby. Features. Packed with stuff, kill switch, solid ad blocker, and the most customizable VPN here. Pricing and support. Usually the cheapest premium option on this list. Support's good and professional. Logs? Nope, no logs. And their no logs policy has even been proven in court. Encryption? Top-notch encryption, and it's customizable too. Negatives? Like IP Vanish, it's US based. The app isn't as sleek as the others. Overall, reliable, transparent, and powerful. Best choice if you're on a budget but still want a huge network and advanced features for everyday use. And that's it. My top 3 picks for everyday use. NordVPN, IP Vanish, and Private Internet Access. Honestly, you can't go wrong with any. For 99% of you watching, even if you just pick based on logos or colors, you'll be fine, because these VPNs just work perfectly for everyday browsing, streaming, and online security. Quick recap to wrap up, if you're still unsure, go with NordVPN if you want the best overall VPN for everyday use, a premium experience, tons of features, and fast speeds. Go with IP Vanish if you want a simple, super fast, set it and forget it VPN with incredible value. Go with PIA if you're on a budget, but want a VPN with a massive server network and lots of advanced features. My job here is done. I gave you the answers so you don't have to waste your time. I've put exclusive discount links for all 3 down in the description so you can grab the best price available. Thanks for your time. Now go pick one, and let me know in the comments which you chose. Have a beautiful day or night. Bye.